Hi, Shello. Welcome to the class. Can you hear me?
Hi, Miss.
Okay, there you go. Oh, what's wrong? I've been waiting for 5 minutes alone on Zoom. Why are you all coming late, doing things late? What happened, Shello?
Saya lupa menyalakan Zoom.
Ah, 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 ah. Oh no. Hi, Nabila. Can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
No, Shello is gone. Dang, down. So, Nabila, you will end your exams on Friday. When will you start? Monday.
Yesterday.
Whoa, so that's like Monday, Tuesday, 5 days, Monday to Friday. And then today and yesterday, 7 days. And it's just for, isn't this PTS?
PAT.
Penilaian akhir. What is P?
Tahun.
Really? This is already PAT, not PTS.
Yes. And there's UM and tryout 3.
You are in the sixth grade.
Then,
I keep forgetting.
then UKK.
Mhm.
And we go out for 3 days or 2 days.
Wait. We go out as in out of town? Yes.
Yes.
Hi, Alena. Hi,
With,
Shella. Welcome back.
with, with my friends and my teacher.
Where to, Jogja?
Bali. I don't know.
You're going to Bali. Okay. Hi, Alena. Can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So, did you just wake up, Alena? No? Is everything fine? Are you okay? You look sick. Are you okay? Okay. So there you go. Today we're going to go with lesson 7, and then we're going to make our class project this, and then yesterday, tomorrow you're going to have your chapter 7 test, chapter 5 test. Okay, so only Nabila did the before Zoom activity. I saw some, who else? I haven't checked my WhatsApp. Alena too. Okay, so there you go. Okay, Alena has also completed her before Zoom activity. Shallow, you didn't do your before Zoom activity. Tring. Okay, everyone, let's go to our student book before we do our class project. So please open chapter 5, lesson 7. What can you see on the picture?
Egg painting.
Egg painting. Okay. Uh, when you see when you see this, you see color powder. Are you or have you ever heard about Holi celebration in India? No? Please Google for Holi celebration. So Google and then share me the picture. Holi celebration, India. There you go. What do they do? What do Indians do for Holi? Nabila, you need to tell me.
Playing with the jump painting.
They play with painting or color powders. So, whoa, I cannot see it, Elena. It's too bright. Okay, they play with color powder. Ah, yep, got it. Okay, there you go. So, this is also the same color powder that the Indians use, but it is not for Holi. What do they do in our book? Painting what? Girls? What do they paint in our book?
Excellent painting.
Wait, what do they paint the egg or the eggshells?
Excellent.
Hmm. Okay, check this one out. We have the or I don't know. Does the painting is the painting made of eggs? Which one do you think it is? They paint on eggshells or they make the paintings from they make the paints from eggs. Which one?
They made a painting from egg.
On eggs? Let's check. How many steps are in this tutorial? Oh, tutorial.
Six.
Tutorial. Six. Got it. One, two, three, four, five, six. We'll read it first before we arrange the tutorial. Who wants to read number one?
Me.
Okay. Alena, one, and then two. Number two, Nabila or Shello?
Me.
Wait. Is that Shello? Is that you, Shello?
Yes.
Okay. Shello. Nabila is number three, and then back to Alena, and then back to Shello again. And the last one is Nabila. Go on then, Alena. An excellent painting.
An excellent painting. This is how artists used to make their paint many years ago. These days, paint can be bought in stores, but some artists still like to make paint this way. It's called tempera, and it's made with egg.
Thank you, Alena.
Some water is it to make the paint easier to use.
Thank you, Shello. Nabila.
Next, a pigment is added. Pigments give paints their color. Pigments of different colors are made from plants, precious stones, and metals. Even insects are collected, dried, and then ground to make colorful powders.
Thank you, Nabila.
Tempera paint has to be used very quickly. Can you guess why?
Back to
The
Shello.
bitumen is mixed with the egg yolk to make a pasta. The pasta ground until it is very smooth.
Nabila.
First, an egg is broken and removed from its shell. Only the yolk, the yellow part, is used to make paint. So all of the white part has to be removed and then the egg yolk is cleaned very carefully.
Okay, there you go. Thank you all. We have some words that we need to check. How do you say this one?
Both,
Hmm. This is how you
both.
say it. Mm-mm. But. What?
Oh,
Let me check. Do you know Japanese? What is berat in Japanese? Nobody knows? Bahasa Jawanya berat? Oh, no.
about
Abot. The same as this. You don't say boat, but bought. Abot. Okay? Can be bought. Can we say it together? Can be bought.
can be bought.
Mm-mm. There you go. Ding, 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 ding. And then this one.
Called
Called. Got it. So not call it, but called. Hey, my WhatsApp is ding dong ding dong ding dong. Hang, Allahu Akbar. Hang on. Let me turn off my notification. Okay. It's called. Okay, so not call it, called. And then this one.
and
You need to say the ED clearly. So not add, but added. Correct. Added.
edit.
Some water
Edit.
is added. And then this one. What is this?
Pigments.
Pigments. Got it. Pigments. Okay, pigments. And this one.
Collected.
Exactly. Collected. Collected. Okay, so let's
Collected.
repeat verb 3 one more time. Bought, called, added, collected.
Bought, called, added, collected. Called, added, collected.
Shello! Shello is turning off her. Go, Shello. Bought, called, added, collected.
Bought, called, added, pigments, collected.
Wait. Not call it, called. One more time. Bought, added.
Called.
Wait. Bought, called, added, collected. Go.
Bought, collect,
I
added,
call it again. I know. Called. Bought. Listen, okay, Shello. One more time. Bought, called, added, collected.
bought, collect, bought, called, added, collected.
There you go. Okay. And then this one. Anyone?
Mixed.
Mixed. Got it. And where is it? Broken, removed. This one.
Use it.
No way, not use it.
Yes.
Used. Got it. So let's say it together. Mixed, used.
Mix. Use.
Used. Don't forget the sound. Used. Go, Shello. Used.
Used.
Okay. There you go. Now we have number 1. Which one do you think is number 2? This is how all artists used to make their paint many years ago. It's called tempera and it's tempera and it's made with number 2.
First an egg is broken and removed.
There, nice. Thank you. Oh, this is teamwork. Alena said the sentence and Nabila wrote the number. Number 3. Then the egg yolk is cleaned very carefully.
The pigment is mixed with the egg yolk to make a paste.
Nope, sorry.
From water.
So sorry, not.
Next, a pigment. Next pigment.
Go. Who wants to read? Who wants to write? Okay, Nabila already write. Shello, go on, please read. Next, a pigment is added.
Next, the pigment is added.
And then after that, number 4.
The pigment is mixed.
Got it. The pigment is mixed with the egg yolk. And number 4. And number 4. Number 5. Sorry.
Some water is added.
Exactly. Some water is added. Mhm. The last one must be.
Tempera paint has
Can you guess why tempera paint has to be used very quickly?
no.
No idea?
No.
Go search on Google. Why has tempera paint be used very quickly? Or why does tempera paint have to be used very quickly? Does anybody get the reason? Why does tempera paint have to be used quickly? Anybody? I've got the answer.
Because glowing quality that it provides.
Not quite right. There's another reason.
Because tempera paint dries quickly.
There you go, because tempera paint dries quickly. So you need to like really use it. Have you ever paint using watercolor? So when you use watercolor, you need to add color, you need to add water sometimes again and again, right? Because the paint dries. Now tempera is actually quicker. So you need to put water again and again and again. But the good thing about tempera is it is safe. You can put it on your face and it's not toxic. Why is it not toxic? Do you know the reason? It's here in this one in the article. Why is it not toxic?
Because made of it.
Exactly. Shello got it right because it's made of eggs. You can't even lick it. Ugh. Ew. But no, it's okay. Dry eggs. So there you go. Tempera paint. Let's go to activity 2. Ta-ding. I cannot move. There you go. Oh, we're going to do this quickly. Nabila, number 2. Shello, number 3. Alena, number 4. Back to... Oh, because Nabila was the first one to collect before Zoom activity. So Alena will do number 5 and Shello number 6. Nabila will only answer one. Number 2. Alena is number 4 and 6. Shello is number 3 and 5. Nabila, go on. Please read number 2.
Insects are used to give paint its color.
True or false?
True.
True. Got it. Insects are used. Some insects. Do you know that there's a blue grasshopper? Ada belalang yang warnanya hijau kebiruan. They usually ground that grasshopper, ditumbuk sampai halus, and then they put it in the egg yolk, dicampurkan ke telur. So number 3, Shello. Shello, are you there?
The pigment can be precious stone false.
Check again. It's here. The pigments, the colors are made from plants, stones, metals, even insects. So, is it true or false? Shello, is it true or false? Shello, you need to write true or false. Jing Jing, I'm going to go to Alena for number 4 then. Shello doesn't respond.
Tempera paint can be mixed with water. True?
True. Got it. Thank you. Oh, Shello has connection trouble. Okay. Number 5, it should be Shello, but I'm going to go with Alena. Alena, number 5. Shello will do number 6.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, oh, you're not ready with number 5?
It's number 6.
Okay, number 6 then. Go on, Alena. Artists?
Artists used to make their paint from eggs. True.
True. Got it. Artists used to make their paints from eggs. True. How about the eggshells? Ah, Shello is back. Hi, Shello. Can you hear us now? Shello, can you hear us? Okay, go on. Number 5, Shello.
The egg shell needs to be cleaned.
True. Check again. It's this one. Do we use the eggshell to make tempera paint? This is Alena.
Yes.
No, look at this. Only the yolk. What is the yolk? Which one is the yolk? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Which one is the yolk? No, this one.
Three.
This one. Look at the picture of the egg.
Three.
2. The egg yolk is number 2. Oh, so Nabila just kuning telurnya aja yang dipakai. We don't use the eggshells, number 1. And we don't use the egg white, number 3. So only number 2. Okay, there you go. So number 5 is actually false. The eggshell needs to be clean. You don't need that. Okay. However, we do need to make our little book. So everyone, please take an A4 paper. Go get an A4 paper. Kertas printer, ukuran A4. Haha, Alena, nice. Mhm. Okay, Alena got it. How about you, Shello? Have you got your A4 paper?
Wait, miss.
Mm. Nabila also got hers. Yahoo! 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 Okay, we're going to make a little book. And in that little book later, you will write step-by-step instructions to, I don't know, you can choose as in your book. What is there to choose in your book? Let's check again. Shello, have you got your paper?
I didn't bring paper because I was at grandma's house.
Oh, ask your grandma. Maybe she has a piece of paper. Any piece of paper is fine if you don't have A4 paper. There you go. You will do one of the followings. How to make cotton, tea, or coffee. And you will write it in your book. Okay. The first thing that we need to do to make our little book is to fold it into two. So everyone, please fold your paper into two. Uh-uh. Like that, like Nabila. Fold your paper into two. Done? When you finish, fold again into two. Tring, tring, and again into two. Tring. So done? Not yet. We'll wait for Nabila. Okay. When you finish, open the paper and then fold it like this. So open the paper and fold it long. Open, open. Okay, now fold it top and bottom. Sekarang dilipat dua atas ke bawah. Now, this is a little bit tricky. You need to get either scissors or a cutter because you need to cut this part. So in the middle, bagian tengah ini dipotong. And then from the middle, you go one and then one. Mm-mm. Remember, it's only until this part. Jadi nggak semuanya dipotong, nggak sampai ke ujung. Yee! Alena got it. Alena is ready with her book. Okay. Alena, now you can make it into a book. So fold it, fold it, fold it. Tring. This is Alena. Huh? Okay. You have this. Fold it into two. And then fold it. There you go. You should have 6 pages. So 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5. My mistake. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. Count the pages. You need to have 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Now that you have your mini book, you need to choose what do you want to make in your mini book. The process of how to make cotton, tea, or coffee. Remember, this is not tea or coffee as in the drink, but how to make the powder. Membuat bubuk kopinya, bukan membuat minuman kopinya. So let's choose. Alena, Nabila, Shelo, what do you want to do? Cotton, tea, or coffee? You can choose the same, no problem. Alena, which one? Cotton, tea, or coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee for Nabila. Shelo?
Coffee.
Coffee for Shelo too.
Coffee.
Alena, coffee too?
Coffee.
Coffee, okay. Now I'm going to ask you to Google how to make coffee. So everyone, Google how to make coffee. When you find how to make coffee, please type the way in the chat box or copy paste it in the chat box. How to make coffee. Remember, not coffee, the drink, but dari bijinya sampai jadi bubuk. From the beans to the powder. Just like chocolate, it's not just to make chocolate, but from the beans to chocolate. From the beans to chocolate, then we'll make coffee. From the beans to coffee. Oh, I forgot. Because you have 5 pages on your book. Not 5 pages. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means that the steps need to be at least 6. Minimal ada 6 langkah membuat. Did you find it?
How to make the beans the coffee or
How to make beans to coffee. So if you find it, please copy paste in the chat box. So we'll start from the beans to the coffee. Oh, we have 1 more minute. Let's go. Where are the steps? Please copy paste it. Copy paste them in the chat box. Ching ching. Ching ching. Nobody?
the seed to miss?
Hmm? What is it, Elena?
We
From
need to planting the seed
the,
tree first.
not from the seed, from the beans. We start from the beans. Ah, there you go. Okay, so
Like that.
uh-uh. Yeah. Jing jing. Hang on. This is not the how? Nabila, you need to the I don't know how. It's only harvesting the cherries, processing the cherries, drying the beans. Oh, okay. We'll take this. Now we need to change these into passive form. Do you still remember present passive and how to change the sentence into present passive? Okay, Shello got it too. We are going to change it on WhatsApp. After that, you are going to write it in your book, 1 step, 1 page, and give illustration. Jadi 1 langkah, 1 halaman, terus dikasih gambarnya. Okay, you need to draw the illustration. We're going to change the sentences on WhatsApp first. Jadi sebelum ditulis ke buku, kita rubah dulu. Jadi present passive sentences. Okay.